Okay, in today's video, guys, I'm going to show you how you can get more done in one day than most agents do in a single month. That's a big promise. I'm going to stand by it, and I'm going to prove it with data. Most agents are told to tap into their sphere, call their database, buy leads on Zillow, call their brokerage's database, whatever it may be. But I can tell you that agents that are producing at a high level, that are doing 2 to 3, even 5 transactions a month, are doing something totally different, which is outbound prospecting. Every single one of my students that goes through my training, I track their goals based off of their production, and we reverse engineer it. It's very simple. Most people aren't calling enough. Most people don't talk to enough clients. The average person needs to communicate to 306 other human beings, homeowners, to have one listing or one deal closed. Think about that. 306 people need to be contacted. So think about all the math that goes into that and all the deals that fall apart, all the meetings that cancel. How can you ever get ahead if we're relying on people to come to us, referrals, and even if I was cold calling 30 minutes a day, 45 minutes a day, I mean, even if I had a triple line dialer, at 30 minutes, I'm really only going to be able to reach 50 people, 55 people, and I'm going to get maybe 1 or 2 of those people to answer if I have a 5% contact rate, which most agents don't even have that because their numbers not whitelisted, it's showing up as spam, and or they're not using all these other dialers and softwares that I use to help expedite their growth. So like I promised, I want to show you guys how this math can work in your favor. So if you're only talking to 10 people a week, 15 people a week, through calling, bumping into people at the gym, whatever it may be, 10, 20, 30, 40 people. If we do the math, it's going to take you 6 months to get one deal, which is the problem, which is why most agents don't ever get ahead. But if you can figure out a way to talk to 25 people a day, 30 people a day with 2 hours, 2.5 hours of dialing, where you whitelist your number, you have a triple line dialer, maybe you even have Enzo dialer, where you can dial 14 people at once, giving you 5x the amount of efficiency, 500% improvement. Do the math. You are now calling 30 to 40 people in one day. Most agents don't even do that in a week. So if you guys can figure out, which I'm going to tell you, figure out how to do it. I'm going to show you what to do so you can implement it right away, but this is what you're going to have to do to be able to outwork 99% of agents. Have a schedule that you follow every single day. There has to be 2 hours in the morning and an hour or 2 in the afternoon or evening that you are sticking to, non-negotiable. It is like religious. You can't break it. If it's 8 to 10 in the morning, it's 8 to 10 in the morning, and you have to follow that schedule 80% of the time. Second thing I would do is I would get a dialer. I would get 2 of them. I would get Mojo, and I would also get Enzo dialer. I like Mojo because that's actually going to give you the data. Enzo's not going to give you the data. It's only going to give you the dialer and nothing else. Mojo I also use as a CRM. Enzo I don't think has capabilities of sending emails, contact management, customer relationship management, or anything like that. That's why I like to have both. So I would get those 2 things, and you guys will have to do like a quick onboarding call with Enzo to figure out how to import and export the data, but that's easy. The math is this: the average real estate agent talks to 50 to 100 people per month. Dude, when I was calling every single day and I got $30 million worth of listings in 90 days, I was talking to 50 people in a day. Every single Monday, I would call 5 to 6 hours. It was a non-negotiable. Tuesday would be 3 to 4 hours. I'll tell you right now, if you guys want to make 150, 200 grand a year, you can maybe call an hour and a half, 2 hours a day, and you'll hit your targets. I don't want to make 100, I don't want to make 200 grand. I need to make $500,000, $1 million bucks, if not more. That's the only way we're going to get ahead. And I have an expensive lifestyle. So I did the math. That's the first thing. Do the math on what it's going to take to hit your targets. If you've never cold called before, this data is going to be different to everybody. It's totally subjective. So if you guys have never called before, you have to call enough for you to give yourself metrics. I would say you need to go on 10 appointments. I would say you need to call at least 15, 20 hours. So that might take you a month. It might take you 2 months. The sooner you do it, the better. AKA, the harder you work, the faster you work, the more you can get results, and the faster you can figure out what the numbers are, the faster you can get data to be able to integrate this. So you can simply say, all right, the average agent's calling 100 people. The average agent sells 4 homes a year, and they do $2.5 million in volume, and they totally just guess. You're going to do that on accident anyway, because that's just the rule of the universe, the rules of work, right? Like if you are calling every single day and you're doing everything else right in your real estate business, you're going to get all these random deals that trickle and fall in your lap. If you're managing your SOI and you're hitting your CRM every week through emails, calls, texts, happy birthday text, happy anniversary text, whatever it may be, if you're doing all these things, of course you're going to go get an extra deal a quarter or 2 deals a quarter from that. Now remove that. I look at that as a cherry on top. Now let's look at the 3 to 5 buyers that are going to fall in your lap too. That's an extra bonus that we're not really accounting for. I am strictly measuring my targets and my goals and outperforming 99% of agents simply by doing this. This is how you're going to do $20 million a year in business. So again, I don't want to hear the, well, I don't want to invest in this and it's expensive. It's more expensive to not do anything and not have the tools. Do you want to compete with somebody? It's not 1985. This isn't Mike Ferry days. If you want to compete in 2026 and the last 3-4 years, you have to be up to date. Formula One car doesn't compete with a Toyota. If you can go build the same car or somewhat similar, you're going to have the same advantage, if not closer. The only thing that's going to matter at that is human error. The rest is computers and software. So you need your dialer. You need, I would say, MailChimp or any other CRM that you can use to send out emails automatically. Go figure out, again, you guys really want me to pull back the curtain and give you the sauce that no one else is going to tell you to do. I would figure out how to use N8N or find somebody who does. Figure out how to use Zapier. Figure out how to use Claude and ChatGPT more than a basic level. Because, dude, you would be surprised. You can have so many automations in your business. Example, I'm at a listing appointment right now and I have a sign in the yard at another property. You call that number or you scan a QR code on that sign, you can have an AI that sounds like me answer the phone and say, hey, this is Anthony Nucci's assistant, AI assistant. He's at an appointment right now. What questions do you have? It'll record it, it'll trace it, it'll send it to me in a text. I can look at it, and or my AI can view the transcription and suggest a meeting through Google to me and the other person so that I don't have to talk to them. And meanwhile, I'm still getting work done and I'm at another appointment. This is how you're going to be in the top 1/10 of 1%. This is billionaire status if we're talking about percentages. I'm not talking the 1%. I'm not talking about making 500 grand or 400 grand a year as a real estate agent and just making that. I'm talking about you have the tools, the softwares, and the accessibility. You take 1 million agents, you're talking 10 to 50 agents are doing this. I'm talking like the highest level. So again, what not to do is not have a routine, not have a schedule, not have these softwares, not have these tools. What to do is the total opposite. Now let's go even furthermore. You guys need to have systems for everything that you do. You should be able to recite your CRM, your contact management, or your customer relationship management system, your script, nurturing process, your business, even though we can't really sell it. I know like Tom Ferry, Mike Ferry, and these people say you can go sell your business. I'm never buying another real estate person. Like, why would I buy someone's business? It makes no sense. It's so personally branded. I would never do that ever. But assume you can act as if you are going to sell it. Act like that. Track everything. Everything I do. If my assistant got hit by a bus tomorrow, I'd literally have a sheet of paper that says SOP and I would hand it over to the next person and she would know exactly what needs to be done. So I know a lot of you guys haven't done that yet. Think about it. Okay, this is what I do when I get a listing. Here's my checklist. I have a checklist. All my students that get onboarded for my coaching, I give them all my checklists, my PDFs. Put in MLS, add to sphere of influence, order photos, order sign, pull title, pull this, pull that, payoff forms, blah, blah, blah. During the listing, this is what we do. We send a letter, we do this, we do that. We ask for a testimonial. Post listing, we get a gift, or post closing, we get a gift. We do this, we add to the sphere, we take them out to dinner, we ask for a referral. Like, you need to have these step-by-step systems and these non-negotiables that you make so that you guys are literally indestructible. Again, I could talk about this for an hour, but I'm not going to because that's for the paid clients. Anyways, I want to give you guys as much free value as I can, but you got to ask yourself a question. If you're watching this far, did you come here for free value or did you want long-lasting results and a bulletproof plan and system that you can completely integrate and implement into your business tomorrow? So if you guys want to learn how I've made millions of dollars from cold calling, how my students have generated over $45 million in gross commission income, it's probably higher now. The last time I checked was 6 months ago, so it's definitely higher now. How we've coached over 1,400 people in over 30 different countries. Click in the description below, reach out to my team, have a conversation. It's not going to hurt you to at least see what we're doing. If it makes sense, great. If you're committed, you're going to do it, and you're going to utilize, again, every software, every resource, and all the tools and accountability that you can to hit your goals, or just have a conversation and get a couple, motivational tips and tricks and go on about your day. If you guys want to hear the real sauce and follow me more closely, add me on Instagram, and as always, like, comment, share, turn on the notification bell. Dude, what are you doing? Help the channel out. The more you guys help me out, the more I can help you out. And I will see you in the next video. Peace.